We talked about how people sometimes are in a low vibration, they're feeling badly. Well, how do I break out of that, Dan? What is it I do? There are several things you can do. The number one thing is to change your environment. If you're not feeling well, if your vibration is low, what I normally do is go out in nature. Get out in a different environment. Change your thinking. You have to think about something different because your thoughts cause your feelings, and that feelings are that emotion that you're feeling negative. So if you're getting the signal that you're in a low vibe, change things up. Get in a different environment. Talk to different people. If it's a chronic thing that you're always feeling down, maybe you're hanging around with people that share their low vibes with you. Jim Rohn once said, you become the 5 people you hang around with most. So if you're constantly in a low vibration, it might be time to mix up who you hang out with. But it's all driven by your feelings. So if you are in a low vibration, you're feeling badly, you're feeling off, start thinking new thoughts. Get out in the nature. Exercise. Moving your body is a great way to change your vibration. It's hard to think about a bad thought when all you can think about is, how do I get through this exercise program? You know what I mean? It's like you need to occupy your mind with something grander than your negative thinking.